Hi, welcome to CTM. Did you know CTM has a variety of stone look tiles? But we also have a variety of stone look slip resistant tiles. And I wanted to show you one of the tiles that we have in our range called the Synergy Sand slip resistant glazed porcelain tile. Come have a look. First and foremost, you can clearly see this is a 600mm by 600mm size tile in my hand. If I brush my hand to it, and this is what makes the tile unique, you can actually feel the sandpaper effect within this tile. This tile is durable, it's long lasting, and it's hard wearing. And I would love to show you how this tile looks on the tile board. Come have a look. So the speckle look gives you that terrazzo finish, which is so popular at the moment. So if you look at the detail of the tile, you can see the speckled looks, and the colors that you're getting within this tile are a beautiful white, beige, ivory, and a little bit of brown that's within this tile. Imagine the possibilities of having this tile in your home. Please add it to your cart and we will deliver it to your doorstep. And once again, thank you for shopping at CTM.